What we just saw was 7 different pulls from 1/8 of an inch to 1 5/8 inches, all without adjusting the tool. So this is the easy puller, and this is Brian.
Howdy.
Hey Brian. How long have you been using that tool?
About 3 years.
Yeah. Been working okay for you?
Works great. Real reliable.
Very good. Thank you very much.
You bet. Call what diameter this one goes to?
This one goes to 1 3/4 inches.
Yeah, I mean that's the excellent part of this system is that you don't have to adjust it for a different diameter. You know, you can just throw a collet in there with a different diameter material, and it adjusts itself. So
Cool. Let's watch it run.
let's watch it. I mean, it really is an excellent tool system.
Cool.
I'm very impressed.
So we just went from 1/2 inch hex to 1 5/8 inch round. Randy, how much time did you spend adjusting those arms?
Absolutely no time.
Cool.
Zero time adjusting the tool.
Excellent. Good. Thank you very much.
No problem.
So this is Dave. Hi Dave.
Hi.
How do you like this tool?
It's a great tool.
Yeah. How long have you been running them?
A year or better.
Yeah. All right. Cool. How much time do you spend setting the tool up as far as adjusting the arms?
None.
None?
We set the size probably a year ago and haven't done anything since.
Awesome. So when you change bars, what do?
You change the X destination to compensate for the center line.
Excellent. Very good. Well, thank you very much.